Giving it all we got, giving it all we can, giving it all we got.
All right, and here's the bridge. Now we're crossing the bridge. Wait. See the wall right there? Okay. And we're gonna cross the border right here. Easy, no? You ready? You ready,
I don't know if you're gonna be surviving. I don't know. Yeah, I think you're gonna have
Poor dog. My dog. So listen, you're about to cross. This is the border. Look. Look right here, huh? Look, huh? Woo. Yeah, we are in Mexico. One line for Mexican citizens and one line for foreigners. That's the checkpoint where they take your temperature. Here we go. We're making our way to immigration side, Mexican immigration. And there it is. Come down the escalator. We're all ready to go. Make sure you print your immigration form and pay online. It's faster than getting into two lines. Otherwise, you have to pay the cashier later. And we just went through airport security and dropped off our bags with our airline. Let's go to Starbucks. Where is the Starbucks? Oh, there it is. It's right there. Right there. So right now we made it to the lounge, the VIP lounge in Tijuana Airport. Food, drinks, full bar. Really nice. Comes with priority pass. So how do we get here? First thing we did at CBX in the United States side was check in with the airline and they tagged our luggage. Then we went through CBX. We already had our tickets, so we scanned them, went through that, took the elevator upstairs, followed the hall, which leads you to the bridge. This is where you actually cross from the United States to Mexico. On the other side of the bridge, they'll take your temperature. You keep going down the hall, and you start going through immigration passport checking. There, they're gonna ask you for your passport, and they're gonna ask you for your immigration form, and the receipt that you made the payment for your visa. So apparently, and we didn't find this out until a few days before we left, if you're going to be in Mexico for more than 7 days, then you have to pay a fee. We did it online. We filled out immigration forms online, and we paid the fee online. So all we had to do is show them the passport, the immigration form printout, and the receipt printout that we paid it online. They stamped our passport, and we were on our way. Then after that, they scanned our luggage for customs. Went through Mexican customs immigration, and then after that, we encountered the Volaris counter again, so we could drop off our luggage there. dropped off our luggage, and the next thing after that was airport security, kind of like American TSA. Airport security, you just scan all your belongings, you go through a metal detector, in the same fashion you do in the US through TSA. And as soon as you go through that, then you are right there in front of you is the Tijuana airport. In the Tijuana airport, the connecting hallway that connects Terminal A and Terminal B has the VIP lounge. This lounge right here. And if you have priority pass, it's free. Everything is covered. If you have American Express Platinum, you get a free membership to the priority pass. So Nan and I, we get free access to these VIP lounges throughout the world. So we came here a little bit earlier, got some food, and here we're waiting for our flight. We're waiting for our flight that is supposed to depart at 2:19 out of gate 9 to Puerto Vallarta, and that's where we're going. And hope you found this video helpful. This is our first time going through CBX. Well worth it. Plane tickets, if you're flying to Mexico, were a lot cheaper through Volaris, which is why we chose to come through the Tijuana airport. Another reason we decided to use CBX to fly out of Tijuana airport is because on the way back, if you enter to the US by foot or by car, you don't have to show a negative COVID test within 72 hours of arrival. You only need to do that if you fly into an American airport. If you fly into an American airport, then you do have to show that. So when we come back from Puerto Vallarta, we will land in Tijuana, domestic side, and we will head towards CBX to cross the bridge again, and we'll go through US immigration there at that time. We'll definitely try this again. We want to make a trip to Cancun, not very soon, but in the near future, and we'll definitely use CBX again. It was a lot easier to go online and get all the documents online than having to do them here. Anyway, I hope you found this useful. It was eye-opening for us. I'm glad we did it, and we will continue to. Next time, we'll see you when we land in Puerto Vallarta. Later.
I'm hungry.
Yeah, let's check in and then we'll go get some food. How was your flight? Good? Yeah?
There's a guy in the plane that sits across from us. He went to my school.
Really? You guys see it coming down the mountain?
Yeah, pretty.
That was beautiful, huh? See the river?
Yeah. I didn't know they were not blue.
Yeah, the jungle river. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Oh, perdón, sí.